Hi, guys, and welcome back to our series. Today is the culmination of all the work when it comes to website building, at least. And we're going to do the most important thing before we officially launch our site to preview and check it. So let's dive right in. On the Wix editor, click on Preview at the top right. You will then enter the preview mode where you can interact with your site just like a visitor would. While previewing your site, grab a pen and paper or open your notepad and note if you find errors. Make sure to check the following. Check that your navigation menu works and that each item takes you to the correct place. Also, check each page and double check for any typos, mistakes, etc. And at the same time, check to see if the buttons take you to the right place. While viewing each page, check to see if the texts are also readable and are well spaced. For your room listings, go to that page, check if the price calculates correctly, and all other essential things when it comes to bookings, as these are extremely essential. Once you're done checking all of these things, it's time to check your mobile site this time. So go to the mobile site by clicking on the mobile icon. See if your navigation menu also works on mobile devices. Make sure that they take you to the correct place. And as for the content, make sure that they're readable and not too crammed. Your text size should also stay consistent all throughout your website. As for the buttons, make sure that they're large enough to be tapped on. And make sure that they also take you to the correct place on your mobile website. Make sure to view your listings page on mobile as well. Once you find mistakes, you can always go back to the editor and fix your mistakes. Once you're done, preview it again to see if things are good. Basically, repeat previewing your site and checking things until everything is perfect. And if everything's all perfect, you're then ready to publish your website. Click on the publish icon on the top right. And there you have it. You have finally launched your site and it's ready for the world to see. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.